are inside.
Where you did last see it, ma'am?
I found about it earlier. I give it to the student assistant here.
Yes, someone turned this earlier. What's inside?
A silver laptop, some notebooks, and my student ID.
Please double check to confirm.
This is definitely mine. For your help, I really learned how important it is to stay calm and communicate clearly through stressful situations.
In this situation, we saw how the elements of communication work. This is also reflect the Shannon-Weaver communication model, where a message must pass through a channel and may be affected by noise before reaching the receiver. Speech context used were intrapersonal and interpersonal and public. Is that all? Thank you for watching. Bye!